Ready to unlock seamless online payments for your Indian business and propel your growth to new heights? Let's dive into a step-by-step guide on creating a Stripe account in India. Ensuring you meet all eligibility requirements. First, confirm that your business is registered and compliant with Indian regulations. This is essential. Next, head to the Stripe India website and click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the account creation page. Here, you'll need to enter your email address and create a secure password. You will be prompted to fill in your business details accurately, including your business name, register address, PAN, and GSTIN. Ensure all the information matches your official business registration documents to avoid any hiccups down the line. Next, select the appropriate business structure for your company, choosing from options like sole proprietorship, partnership, or private limited company. This selection impacts the required documentation. Now, you'll need to link your bank account to receive payouts. Provide your bank account number, IFSC code, and branch details accurately. Stripe requires this information to verify your account and facilitate seamless transactions. Then, Stripe will verify your business details and bank account. This process may take a few business days. Keep an eye on your email for any updates or requests for additional information. Finally, once your account is verified, configure your payout settings to determine how frequently you want to receive payments. Set your preferred schedule and ensure your payout threshold is appropriate for your business needs. That's it. You're now set to accept payments with Stripe in India.